Submitting 1099 forms to the IRS with ez1099's built-in direct e-file service is fast and easy. Step 1. Before e-filing. First, open the ez1099 software, available at halfpricesoft.com, and enter your form data. You can type it in manually or import it from a spreadsheet, QuickBooks, or another source, whichever is easier for you. Next, if you don't already have a customer account, go ahead and register for one. You'll need it to upload your forms and track their filing status. Finally, purchase the e-file credits for the total number of forms you'll be filing. Step 2. Submit to the IRS. Once your forms are ready, click on the Direct e-file option from the top menu. Select the forms you want to file from the list. Choose the File option. If you are submitting a correction or a replacement, be sure to enter the original receipt ID. Click E-file with halfpricesoft.com. The software will automatically validate your form data. If no validation errors are found, enter your customer account username and password. Then click Upload to submit your 1099 and 1096 forms. Our system will securely transmit your forms to the IRS through our registered TCC and IRS account automatically. After uploading, log into your customer account anytime to monitor your submission status. It usually takes a few hours to 2 business days for the IRS to update the status. ez1099 has been trusted by thousands of clients for 2 decades, streamlining 1099 tax reporting for businesses of all sizes. For any assistance, visit the support page on the Half Price Soft site. Our team is dedicated to promptly helping you. Thank you for choosing ez1099. We look forward to making your business management more efficient and reliable.